welcome to my first video. So I'm gonna jump right into what you need for the soak off. You need cotton pads. I cut one piece of cotton pad into quarters, and then you also need strips of foil. You also need files. I use a 100 to 180 grit or 150 to 150. And then you also need acetone. I pour my acetone in this little Mender pump bottle. And then you can start filing. Please be gentle when you file. Don't be too hard on your nail with the file. You don't need to file the whole gel overlay off. You just need to rough up the surface a bit so that the soak off process can go quicker. This video is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm not gonna talk too much. Okay, so for this tip, please make sure your cotton pad is soaking wet, because when you start to turn the foil around your finger, you lose a lot of the acetone anyway. So make sure it's nice and wet. Okay, so when you place the foil on your finger, make sure the tip faces downward, like how I'm doing it there. And then wrap the foil as tight as you can around your finger, because you don't want your whole thing to fall off. And you're done. I keep mine on for like 20-25 minutes, and then I take it off, and then I check if it's good, and then you start scraping it off. You can use a cuticle pusher or any type of scraping thingy, and then you can start scraping off the gel overlay. You can also use this method when soaking off your polygel set or your acrylic set. I'll show you guys in another video how I soak off my acrylic, I use the e-file to file down my acrylic because it's just easier for me personally, but you don't have to use an e-file. A hand file does the job just as good. So here you just file down some of the leftover gel overlay that may be on your nails. Like I said, be gentle. You don't have to be hard, especially now because your nails are sensitive. They feel a little bit brittle. Be gentle. I like taking out anything that's under my nails. You could just use your nails to get under, and then go wash your hands. After you wash your hands, put on some hand cream. You can put some oil on your nails. You can, some people put on their nail armor, nail strengthener, or any type of nail strengthener you can use, just to regain back the strength in your nails. I always recommend my clients that they let their nails rest for a bit, maybe a day or a week, just to regain that strength back in your nails, because at this point your nails feel sensitive. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Bye.